Hi, Gina with FreshPaint here, and today we're going to use the Visual Tagger to create an event. You can navigate to your Visual Tagger over here in your left sidebar menu. You just want to make sure that the URL you want to use Visual Tagger with corresponds with the environment that you have selected in the top right-hand corner. So today we're using a production URL, and so I've selected the corresponding production environment. Once you have launched Visual Tagger, if you'd like to navigate about the site, you can do so by clicking Normal Mode. Now that we're here, let's create an event. Say I want to track clicks on this Start Free button. I just have to click it here. And here I can see that I can configure the specificity of the event. So for example, right now, this event will only fire when an element with this CSS selector and this href is clicked. If you have the same button on another page and you'd like to separate the events, you also may want to limit it to the URL path. You can also limit it to the text that's contained within the element. You can also add a dynamic property here. Dynamic properties allow you to capture any additional data that's on the page at the time of the event. So what that means is, if I wanted to capture this header every single time this Start Free button is clicked, I can do so here. But this is optional. All you need to do to save this event is give it a name. And will automatically take a screenshot of the event for you. And this will be helpful in providing context later on when you revisit the event. We'll hit save here. All right, and we see the event was saved. If you want to check it out, you can exit the Visual Tagger by pressing this button in the left-hand corner and navigating to your event library. Search for the event. And from the event definition, you can edit the event, you can delete it, you can view the screenshot with the context, and you can send it to any of your desired destinations. And that's it. You've created an event with Visual Tagger.